I see is shining, nothing missing. The world unfolds in gold, no peace is gone. No more searching for a meaning, no more wishing. I'm resting in the fullness where I truly belong. The ache for something better has finally faded. The endless chase replaced by endless light. I stand in awe, the suffering's been traded for energy unbound, for joy that feels so right. Perception is complete, nothing left to find. I'm whole in every heartbeat, peace within my mind. The journey's over now, I'm finally home, infinite and shining, never more No cracks, no holes, no longing in my soul, just endless celebration and perfectly whole. No cracks, no holes, no longing in my soul, just endless celebration and perfectly whole. Breath is a miracle, every moment a song. I'm dancing in the fullness where I've always belonged. No more searching, no more striving, just this endless, joyful thriving. Perception's all